Hi, Emma.
Hi, Mommy.
You show me your arms. What happened to your arms?
They've got blood.
They've got blood?
Yeah.
Oh, we got one on this hand, too. So you got blood?
Yeah.
What'd you do? Where'd you go to get blood?
He helped me pinch my arm.
Did they pinch your arm?
Yeah.
Where did we go?
He pinched my arm. That hurt.
It hurt, didn't it? Did you go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went to the hospital and you got blood, huh?
Hey, I got a monkey.
You got a monkey?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go see Taylor for a minute, okay? Hi, Taylor. Vegging out, huh? Taylor's got a new Polly Pocket.
And Mr. Aaron just should power for the lights of the house go in the darkness.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, Emma. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Goodbye, Aaron.
Can I see it?
Just a minute, I'm not done yet. Taylor, say bye-bye. Taylor, bye-bye. Say see you later.